Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to install this, a remote starter for my 2010 Honda Pilot. Alright guys, I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time now, but the other ones I've seen, you needed like an extra remote to operate it. This one's nice because it's going to use your same key fob, okay? It's made for the 2009 to 2015 Honda Pilot. I'm sure they're making for other years, other makes, models. Go to their website, find out if they make it for your car. Okay, first thing they tell you is, warning, make sure the seal is not broken. If it is, send it back. Maybe there's something missing or whatever. I already broke the seal on this one. First thing you see, you're going to have your module. It's just a box. You have wires, some zip ties in there. You have a trim tool. And you have your instructions. Okay? So let's install this. All right, first thing you need to do is remove these covers because all the wires and plugs and everything are going to be down here. So start your car, and we need to remove a couple of screws. Turn the wheel, there's one screw right there, and then turn it this way, and there's another screw right there. So let's take those off, okay? Next, move the seat all the way back so you have better access to these screws down here. There's 3 of them. This one right here, this one, and one under here. I don't know if you can see it. Now you could remove the bottom cover. All right, now you have access to all the wires you need to remove. You're going to remove this plug and this plug. This one, just press the tab on top, pull it out. And this one, there's a little tab on the side here. You're going to squeeze that and pull this out. And as you pull it out, you'll see the plug come out. That's it. So you have 2 wire harnesses. You have a big one and a small one. You're gonna, it's pretty easy. You're gonna take this part, plug it into the plug you just pulled out, and this one goes into the car. And then this one, same thing. You're gonna put this one into the plug you just pulled out, and this one goes into the car. And you can't mess it up, because if you try to plug it into this green plug, it's not gonna work, okay? All right, now we're going to plug in the wires into these 3 slots right here. But before you do that, see this button right here? You're going to press it and hold it. Then you're going to plug in this guy first and wait for the lights to turn red. See that? Now you can let go of the button and plug in the rest of the wires over here. The blue goes with the blue, and then this guy goes right here. All right, now we're going to program the module. First step is to take your key and turn it to the on position, which is the second position there, or your lights are going to go on. And this is going to turn green. See that? Some clicking going on. The second step is to start the car. So the green lights are going to go on either first step or second step. Since I already got the lights to go green, I'm going to skip starting the car. The third step is actually the lights going green. Fourth step is shutting off the car. Fifth step is unlocking it. And if you have a power lift gate, you're going to open the lift gate with your fob and close it with the fob, okay? Let's see. The 7th step is to start the car. And you're gonna wait 15 seconds. And let's wait a few seconds. And then while the car is on, you're gonna step on the brake, and then you're gonna hold this button, and then you're gonna let go of the brake, and the light should go green. There you go. So now it's programmed. So now you can shut it off, and you're ready to go. So the way you start the car remotely is press the lock button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So that turns it on. Now you press it again 3 times to shut it off. 3. That shut off the car. Okay. Pretty cool. Now, if you turn it on, so that's 3 times. Car turned on. Let's say you come in the car, you step on the brake, the car shuts off, okay? That's in case somebody breaks into your car, wants to drive away, they can't. The car is going to shut off as soon as you do that, okay? What you normally would do, you start the car. And by the way, the car is only going to stay on 15 minutes. It's going to shut off after that, okay? And they say if you have your lights in your auto, the lights may not go off. So let's say, the car is on, it shuts off. After 15 minutes, the headlights may not shut off if you have it on auto, okay? So anyway, you're gonna come in after starting your car, and if you ready to take off, you're gonna take your key and put it on the on position. 1, 2, and now you're able to put it in gear and drive away, okay? And that's it. Now we're gonna tuck in all these wires and put everything back together, okay? All right, I shoved the box and all the wires onto the right side over here. And now they're on the back here. I'm gonna put the covers back on, and then I'm gonna find a spot to zip tie this up here someplace, okay? Check it out. This came with the kit. It's a hood switch. See that? And the wire. And I didn't see any instructions about this in the instructions, so I'm not gonna bother putting it on. I think what it does is, if the car is remote started and somebody opens up the hood, it will shut off the car. Okay. It says professional installer. I guess you have to drill and put this on. I'm not gonna bother doing it, but if I decide to ever do it in the future, I'll do another video about this, okay? All right, guys, everything's put back together. Everything's tied up under there nice and neat. And the last thing I want to tell you, which I should have mentioned at the beginning, is you need a key, okay? You can't have push button start because it won't work with that, okay? And that's it. So I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.